So in our partnership with Inmarsat, we've experienced a high level of trust. They allow us to do what we're good at, and on their side, they're always trying to innovate in terms of the services aspects to ensure that the users get the best service and meet their needs for whatever their environment is. So working together, we complement each other. The terminals are tested at a third-party facility where we, of course, unbiased, have a vendor that will take our terminals through MIL standard 810G testing, specialty testing for aircraft. A lot of times there are specific vibration profiles and temperature ranges that they have to test to. Drones are particularly difficult, but we test everything to ensure that these terminals are going to work reliably on these planes and vehicles. Every year we go through a review process of all of our vendors. We evaluate them. We're always looking for new vendors to help us do things better. And even though we do trust our vendors and do a good job of vetting them, we follow that up with testing to ensure that every terminal that goes out the door is reliable. Our government customers are typically occupied with other things besides keeping their satellite link up and running. So Inmarsat has done a fantastic job of creating a suite of services where they don't have to worry about setup or maintenance of the link. And this automation is key in them doing the other things that they're supposed to be doing. So if our government customers could describe us in 3 words, I think the first word they would use would be responsive. Not all the time are all your needs known up front in a program. As engineers, we love to believe that that'll happen, but sometimes midway through the program, something's discovered that needs to be adjusted. And we do a really good job of responding to those needs. The second 2 words I think I would use would be reliable and rugged. Of course, rugged is in our name, and reliable is of utmost importance to us. Since our users have critical needs and are so important, we need to provide terminals that are reliable in the worst environmental conditions. So one of our proudest achievements has been for a customer we had who had a very important mission for their aircrafts. They had a solution that was very complex. There were pieces of software managing other pieces of software from different companies. So we came into the program with Inmarsat, and of course Inmarsat's Global Express network was able to solve a lot of those problems, and we were able to get the program up and flying in about 9 months, and it has been very, very successful and running for over a year without any issues.